Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about hair loss in maybe the more mature woman or in anybody. For lots of reasons in our life, we can start losing hair. I don't like to think it's my age, but that could very well be the reason. But whatever the reason, I began researching to reverse the hair loss. I found Kerahealth, who has a whole system for it, so I reached out to them and I asked them to sponsor the video, and they did. I love the way they combine a supplement with really great shampoo and conditioner and a scalp massager. That's all I needed, and a few months for my hair to get thicker and more lush. I could see the difference. I love the way Kerahealth products came to my door. It was packaged so nice it could have been a gift for someone. I felt very special opening it. And the other package had the supplements. Every bottle is for 30 days. You get 60 capsules to a bottle. I keep the shampoo and the conditioner in my shower. This is the consistency of the shampoo. It is really soft. It is really smooth and silky, and it lathers up so great in my hair. It has an aroma of a soft floral scent, not too strong, which is great. It gets all the dirt and the grease down to my scalp. It feels so luxurious as I'm washing my hair. I do 2 washes and lathers with the shampoo. That just seems to keep my hair cleaner longer, so I can have more time in between washing my hair and styling it. And then I use the conditioner. It is thick and creamy. Look at that. It's very silky too. It feels so great on my hair. So after I wash it, I'll use the conditioner and I'll keep it on my hair for a few more minutes while I clean my body. And I like working the conditioner down to the bottom ends of my hair. It also comes with this really great scalp massager. So I'll use that for a minute and I'll leave the conditioner on my hair, especially down at the tips of my hair. The ingredients in both the shampoo and the conditioner are of the highest quality. It's been dermatologically tested and doesn't have any silicones or parabens. It's free of them. It's also been nickel tested. The shampoo and the conditioner are specifically formulated to nourish and strengthen hair, rich with proteins, keratin, aloe vera, coconut oil, and natural jojoba oil. To get my hair looking like it is, like you see here, this is the front, this is the back, this is the thickness. Now let me show you the part. The part is where I lose a lot of hair. Also, the areas above my temple. Those are the areas I seem to lose it the fastest, and they're so visible. Kerahealth has so helped that. You can even see how it's restructuring and thickening the hair that I had before. It looks much healthier. The formulas and the shampoo and the conditioner also help with all the heat and all the treatments I do with my hair. You can see my hair is really wavy and kinky, and I do a lot of blow drying to style my hair to get the frizz out. I've got a little system where I do section by section. It takes me a while, so that's why I like this great Kerahealth formula that lasts a long time, because I like to go 3 or 4 days in between shampooing my hair. As you can see how much work and time I put into it. All that heat is damaging my hair, and Kerahealth really helps it to be strong and really healthy. I even have to finish up with a little teasing to get some height at the top, and that's so bad for your hair. And then the flat iron for those flyaway ends, and the front to get it to style just the way I want. I have been neglecting my hair from the pandemic. I hadn't even stepped into salon for a year. I went to see my friend, Jose Iver. That was a really fun field trip to Beverly Hills. I just love that guy. He's so fun. He's so nice. I got it clipped. And then I went to another hairdresser, James, and he did the color for me another time. And then he even did an outdoor keratin treatment that really stunk up. So I did it outside in the backyard of one of my friends. I needed to breathe. What's great is at home, I can do the Kerahealth program for my healthy hair to get it stronger and thicker and look its best. One very essential part of the program for me is their supplements. I keep them in the bathroom to remind me to take them. They're called nutraceuticals, and these are for women, and they also have supplements for men for hair loss and hair strength. It is so important that we nourish our hair follicles and our scalp to keep it in great shape, to keep growing our hair and thickening our hair, and vitamins and supplements are so important, and Kerahealth has figured out the formula that's best for that. I love the name of their shampoo and their conditioner. It's called the Follicle Hero Shampoo and the Follicle Hero Conditioner, because I need a follicle hero in my life. Kerahealth brings it. I've been using it now for 2 months, and I'm so glad because now is the time I need it. I'm going to start going out again in the world, and I want to look as good as I can. Kerahealth products are global winners in beauty awards. I'm so impressed with their company. I only want to use the very best products on my hair and in supplements because I want the fastest and best results so I can show off my crown of glory, which is my hair. Click the link below in the description box to get your Kerahealth products. I hope you love them as much as I do. Here's my little hair twirl I wanted to show off. And another one, just for the fun of it. I'm so happy with my results. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today, it's a recipe for great hair. See you next time. If you like this video, here's some more about beauty right over here.